submarine. So, let's get started. We will start by drawing the submarine's body. Friends, a submarine is used to go under the water. So, we have to make the body of our submarine strong and sturdy. Now, we will draw the tower. On the tower, we will draw a window. After window, we will draw a periscope. Now, we will draw the propeller of the submarine. Propeller helps the submarine move forward. Next, we will draw the wings of the submarine. Now, we will draw the portholes or windows of the submarine. Portholes help people look outside and enjoy the underwater scene. Now, we will draw the seabed. Now, we will draw the seabed. Friends, you can also draw some fishes, shells, and stones. It's time to fill colors. First, we will color the sonar with red color. Friends, do know you can also share your drawings with us on our Instagram. We will color windows with blue. Next, we will fill orange color in the outlining of the porthole. Then, we will color the tower with pink color. Rest of the body with yellow color. red. Now we will fill green color in the aquatic plants. Other aquatic plants, purple and violet. Now we will color the seabed with light brown. Water waves with blue color. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.